आज 53व्या भारताच्या आंतरराष्ट्रीय चित्रपट महोत्सवाचो म्हळ्यार इफीचो निमाणो दीस। सुवर्ण मयुराच्या पुरस्कारा उपरांत इफीचेर पड्डो पडटलो, पूण निमण्या दिसा ह्या पुरस्काराच्या शर्यतींत आशिल्ल्या कांय चित्रपटांची मेजवानी रसिकांक पळोवपाक मेळटली।
इफ्फी समारोपाच्या सुवाळ्याचे पूर्वसंध्येक भारतीय पॅनोरामा चित्रपट खजुराहो, आनंद और मुक्ती आणि यनाम मध्यांतर जाल्यार आंतरराष्ट्रीय पॅनोरामा चित्रपट परफेक्ट नंबर, ती ओशियन एंजल आणि वाउल्स हांचे प्रदर्शन जालें। ह्या चित्रपटांचे दिग्दर्शक आणि निर्मात्यांनी ते विशीं चित्रपट मोग्यांक म्हायती दिली।
Last year our film Bharat Child of Nature was screened here under the Indian panorama. This is the second film, Khajuraho, Anand and Mukti. So this is of course a great honor for us. This Khajuraho film is basically part of the 24 episode series under Indian Civilization, which we have recently launched. This film is basically a documentation of the 25 Khajuraho temples. Now they are the 1000 years old temples. Of course they are in ruins, but this is what we have in North India left of that centuries ago monuments, you can say. So, and we've also wanted to learn what these temples tell us about.
This Yanam is, as mentioned here, a science Sanskrit documentary based on Mars orbitary mission of ISRO. When the director, Mr. Vinod Mangara, he is also a national award winner and multiple awards winner. He read the autobiography of Padma Bhushan Dr. K. Radhakrishnan, My Odyssey. Then immediately he called me and said that one particular chapter in that book is very interesting, why don't you go through it? Then immediately I also read the entire book, not that particular chapter, but I also liked that chapter about Mongolian mission. It's definitely our country's pride. And when a time, everyone thought that it was not possible. In fact, that time NASA failed 3 times and 4th attempt only they were succeeded. And only 3 countries achieved this feat.
It is inspired by a real person. There is a mathematician in St. Petersburg, Russian Jewish, who got an award of $1 million, like Nobel Prize, but it's not Nobel Prize. Still, he sent back the check saying it is distracting him, and he doesn't want to be distracted.
Goa 365 Bureau Report.